Hey, Mom, anything going on out there? What's going on?
Not a thing. That's why I'm looking out the window. I don't see nobody.
What you mean?
Where's all the children? Is it summertime or are they back in school or what? I don't see a child nowhere. This is strange. My God, you don't see a kid riding a bike. You don't see nobody on skates. Men used to pull the kids up and down the street in the little wagons. You don't see, it's nobody out there. The street is bare.
Well, what you think you should be seeing?
Betsy, kids used to ride up and down the street on bikes, tricycles. Used to see kids playing ball, the girls playing hopscotch, jacks. You see no kids nowhere. Where are the children?
What? You don't see no kids?
I don't see no kids nowhere. Now this is summertime, right?
Yeah, it's just
Well,
summertime.
you would think all the kids is back in school. Years ago, you see kids skating, throwing balls up and down the street, riding bikes, teaching the kids how to ride a tricycle. You don't see nobody.
They must be inside, playing those video games, I guess.
Well, everybody's on the inside. This is pitiful, though. This is truly pitiful. There's no kids nowhere to be seen. I see one man cutting grass. I ain't seen a kid all day. This is ridiculous. What happened to hopscotch? What happened to the bat and ball? What happened to the jacks? What happened to the little boys pretending to play baseball? You don't see none of that. This is utterly ridiculous.
And what about the rope?
No
We used to
jump rope.
all the
No
time.
hopscotch. We used to play hopscotch. Yo. This street is bare. I haven't seen a
All
kid
day.
all day long.
All day we would be outside playing
The
rope.
only person I've seen is the mailman and the guy cutting grass. You think people is afraid to let the kids play on the street these days?
It just might be.
This is sad.
I know
Yes.
one thing is no socializing being done.
You don't see no kids skating. You don't see kids on bikes. You don't see people teaching their children how to tricycle. No, nothing. When we were kids, a little hill like that, no cars. We'd be skating up and down, skating, riding bikes. You know, having fun, playing jacks. Looks like our communities are going to the dogs. Come to think about it, I don't even see a dog. Back in the day, my grandmother and mother used to stand at the window and watch us play. We'd be out there jumping and playing baseball, bat ball up and down, dancing, making fun, hide and seek, you know, running after the little lightning bugs, catching beetles. I mean, come on now. This is pitiful. This is, I can't believe. You stand out the window now, I don't see nothing. Ain't nothing moving.
And the elderly used to look out the window for.
Well, the elderly
little
people used to
entertainment.
have fun just watching the kids. You don't have nobody to watch. Few cars at the park. Nothing to look at. The children should be out playing.
Mom, I'm gonna tell you something. I think the kids, you know, they found some new stuff and they home on the computers. They playing those games.
That's where the children are. Well, that mouse is not going to take the place of exercising and socializing. You know, what happened to kickball? What happened to dodgeball? What happened to hitting the ball upside the wall? I mean, what happened to all those different things that kids used to do? All on the internet, playing them damn games. This is so pitiful. You know, what about tag? And what about catching the beetles and catching butterflies? And in the evenings, we used to wait for those little lightning bugs to come up. We used to catch them and put them in a jar. A lot of things kids could be doing.
Yeah.
Moving around, making
Hopscotch.
contact with each other. You know, hopscotch, they used to draw stuff on the street, hopscotch. And then we used to play marbles on the ground. We used to get on the ground and play. It was a lot of things we did.
Yeah.
And we didn't have half the things that the kids have today. The kids got maybe too much. They got so much they don't never come out. You know, let's get some play on.
Mm-hmm.
What about Chinese rope? What about tag?
Mm-hmm.
Walk the mall or do something. Let's get on the move. I'm just saying we need to get on the move. This is kind of sad. Used to play cards too. Used to sit and play cards. Spades. You know, outside on the steps. People used to play jacks.
So what advice do you have for the parents?
I'm saying if the parents are afraid to let the kids go out and play, you go out and play with them. I think maybe people are a little bit afraid today, but the kids need to get out. They really do. Where are the children? What about dodgeball? What about kickball the kids used to do? I'd like to know where the kids are. It's just disgraceful. I don't even see a dog or a cat. So I guess I better go back to the internet. Hey, babe, come here. Bring your camera. Quick.
What's going on, Mom?
Kids are playing in the street. I can't believe it. They over there across the street by the big building, playing, jumping rope, doing all what we were saying.
What?
The other day, I just said I hadn't seen children on the street, but they're out there playing. Good.
We got to get this picture.
Come get this picture, quick. I can't believe it. We just talked about it 2 days ago. It's a new day. Children playing across the street. Really out there, kids are out there. I just haven't seen them.
We got to get
I think I need to get out more. The kids is out there playing. I'm just finding out where the problem is. The problem is me.
You the one on the internet.
I'm the one on the internet. I got a problem. I need to get out and
playing
walk.
games on the
I'm
internet.
on the internet.
Now that's the truth.
Oh,
Oh boy.
I'm the one that's in on the internet, not the kids. They're in the front and back all over the place, riding bikes. Maybe it's me. I got the problem. All the seniors
Yeah.
that used to walk. Kids are playing. How am I see them? I'm on the inside. Oh, God. By the time I get up